Yeah, we're out here again. We're trying to raise $500,000 for our new rehabilitation and reintegration center out in Little River. There's a compound out there right now, but I'm just going to do a little song here I wrote. It's called If I Ever Find My Way. I think I have, but I had doubts in my life there every once in a while, but it sort of goes like this. If I ever find my way, such a sunny day comes, they say, when I'm walking around my hometown. Is it such a simple kind of life we all lead, such a simple kind of sound? People working past 9 to 5 overtime to survive, you'll see. Makes me wonder where all of this will lead. Down on St. George Street, postman mails my letter now, send it off to you. East Coast all the way, yes, all the way through. Over the Great Lakes, the plains, yes, the mountains too. And when that letter gets there, I swear I can hear you calling out my name. I want to hear you calling out my name. So many souls in this world. Is it time to make your choice? We got just about 26,000 days. So come on now, let's hear your voice. Say when life does change its face. Tell me where will you stand? Maybe on a riverbank 10 miles from here. Hopefully not holding your own hand. I want to hear you calling out that name. I want to hear you calling out that name. When life does change its face. Tell me where will you stand? Maybe on a riverbank 10 miles from here. Hopefully not holding your own hand. I want to hear you calling out that name. I want to hear you calling out that name. If I think I found my way. Such a sunny day comes, they say. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you.